Hello everyone, welcome to my channel. This is Bridget here. Today just a very simple mutton curry that I'm going to show you. I'm cooking it in a pressure cooker, but it could be slow cooked on the stove top if you don't have a pressure cooker. So this is quite an easy one with very simple ingredients. So just keep watching. So these are the ingredients. You would need 1 teaspoon of chili powder, 2 teaspoons of coriander powder, 1 teaspoon of cumin powder, half a teaspoon of turmeric, salt to taste, 2 onions chopped, 2 tomatoes chopped, and some coriander leaves chopped. Then we need half a kilo of mutton cut into cubes. I've used boneless mutton, but you could use mutton on the bone, which would give the curry a little more flavor. So these are the ingredients. So apart from the ingredients that I just mentioned, we also need 2 tablespoons of ginger and garlic paste. So now what I'm going to do is I'm going to marinate the meat with all the powders and the ginger and garlic paste. I'm going to marinate this mutton with the ginger garlic paste, chili powder, salt, coriander powder, cumin powder, and the turmeric. Mix it well and then keep it aside for about 30 minutes. So it's marinated well. We're going to keep it aside for 30 minutes. So I'm heating 2 tablespoons of oil in the pressure cooker, and to this I'm adding roughly sliced chopped onions and 2 green chillies. So I'm going to let this fry till the onions get translucent. So fry the onions on high heat for at least 3 to 4 minutes till they turn translucent or slightly brown. Then I'm going to add in the marinated meat and going to mix well. Mix it really well so that the onions also take on the masala that is coated on the mutton. So keep on frying now for some time till you see that it gives out oil at the sides, and you can add in your tomatoes and chopped coriander. Mix this well and continue to fry, stirring all the while. You'll see that the mutton gives out some water. And the tomatoes become slightly soft. So now I'm going to add in some water, just enough to cover the mutton. So mix it all well and raise the heat, bring it to boil. I mean, it doesn't have to come to a rolling boil, just like boiling. And once you see that the bubbles start coming up, we can close the pressure cooker and cook on high heat for around 7 to 8 whistles. So that should be around 8 to 10 minutes. So once you could switch off the heat and let the pressure die down before opening the pressure cooker. I've kept it with a thin gravy because then you don't need anything else with your rice. Then you can serve it out into a glass dish. And there you go. The simple mutton curry is ready. So simple mutton curry is ready. The gravy is a little thin because you can have it with rice or with your chapatis, and it's a very easy recipe. As I mentioned, you could slow cook it on the open stovetop, or you could use a pressure cooker. And thank you for watching. Please subscribe to my YouTube channel. And if you like this recipe, please like and share it. Thank you.